My name is Chef Catherine Medrano, and today we're going to talk about the slicer. When you are using the slicer in Fowler Kitchen, this is its home right here next to the freezer door. If it's here, my expectation is that the slicer has been impeccably cleaned. What am I looking for in terms of clean? I don't want any food on this machine at all, not a single crumb anywhere. I look here in this channel, I move this, and I look on the back of the blade. I'll even turn the blade to see if there's any residue left on the blade at all. I'll come to this part here and look to see if there's any food on here. Where we hold the food here, I'll look and see if there's any food here. And along the back over here. So when the machine's in this position, there shouldn't be a single speck of food on it anywhere. There is no electrical on this wall, so we move it over to the end of this table over here. But we don't plug it in immediately. The first thing we're going to do is make sure that our brakes are set. We have 4 brakes. So once we've secured all the brakes on the machine, we come back around to this side. And I'm going to show you, this is how we get power to the machine. It's plugging it in here. Once we have it plugged in here, these buttons over here are how we control the slicer. The red button is obviously off. So we're going to turn the green button on to start. That brings power to the machine. When we have food here and we're ready to slice, and we've turned our dial to where we want it to be so we know what the slice size is going to be, we'll turn the blade on. Now you can start slicing on this machine. If you do not start slicing right away, the machine is timed to turn off, and this one will turn off on you. If you step away and do something, if you go to work on something else, if you have to collect a plate or something, the machine will most likely turn off on you while you're away, and you'll have to turn it back on here. As long as you have the white light, you have power to the machine. You just need to turn the blade back on.